Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to manage who can post on your VK wall. If you want to keep your wall private or limit posts to specific friends. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open More Options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can post to my wall. Tap on this option, and you will see several choices available. You can select All Users, Friends of Friends, All Friends, Only Me, or Certain Friends. Choose the option that best fits your privacy needs. Once you make your selection, the setting will update instantly, and your wall will be controlled according to your preferences. Controlling who can post on your VK wall is a simple way to maintain your account privacy and ensure only the people you want can interact with your posts. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.